How to fix Logitech G Hub not opening or not working. So if you want to fix the Logitech G Hub not opening or not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your taskbar at first, and then you need to go with the task manager. Now under your task manager, what you need to do is just simply go with the service or the application of Logitech. If you have the Logitech or LG Hub enabled, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with end task. Once you end the task, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go with your search, and here you need to search for services. Open up your services under your system, and here you need to click on any service that you're comfortable with and then press L on your keyboard, and here you will have LG Hub update your service. You just need to simply click on the service, right click on it, go with properties, and under properties, now if you've started the service, then just stop the service for a few minutes. So you just need to simply go with stop, and once you click on stop, then you just need to simply go with apply and OK. Once you've stopped the service, now you need to right click on the white space and then go with refresh, and it will refresh all of your services. Once you've refreshed, now you can go back and start relaunching your Logitech, and your problem might be fixed. Now if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and install an older version. So to do that, you need to uninstall the current version that you have on your PC or your laptop. To do that, what you need to do is just simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for control panel. And once you search for the control panel, open it up, and once you open here, you will have an option of uninstall a program. You will have that option under your programs and features. Click on it, and here you need to go with uninstall or change a program, and you need to select the program which is Logitech, which is right here. So click on it, right click on that, and then go with uninstall. And once you click on uninstall, then it will uninstall the application or the service. And once you've uninstalled from here, then you can go with your browser or your any other source, and then you can install it again or download that again. So that's how you can fix your Logitech G Hub not opening or not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.